Hello everybody and welcome to the third video of building the Lego Typewriter. Last time we ended on step 41. So today we are going to be starting on step 42. Okay. There we are, and now we are getting these of green as shown in the picture. Okay, I need to pour that out. I'm trying to figure out what the optimum positioning is. I just did good. Okay. So now we just take two of these rod pieces. And we just put them in the yellow area here. Like this. And I don't know how far we put them in, but I think it's all the way. And that worked. Okay, and now we do that with the other side. And the piece just fell out. Okay. That's fine. Put it back in. Put this cone back too. Okay, and now both of the dilly pieces are in all the way. Oh shit. Give me a moment, people. I just made a piece come off. Now, just push down on it. No, okay, I'm sorry, people. Just give me a moment. Hahaha. Like an actual issue, though. Okay, put it back here. Connect them. Okay. Come on. I'll just pop it like that. Okay, yeah, no, I'm just have to hit your wholesale. Okay. Give me one moment. I just have to remember what the ultimate positioning was. Okay. That page ain't wet, but meh. Now we put this here. And now we just put it here. I think I'm gonna have to push these out again. And I'll just lay it back down here. Right. Right. This. Just get it left here. Put it all the way in. And done. Okay, so we are back and we are finished 42. So it's time to move on to some pink pieces, which are in bag. This one. The bags aren't numbered. I don't know why I said it like that. But move this out of the way so we can start on this new part. Okay. So we're gonna need one of these. So we need one of these, two of these. Okay. Two of these. Okay. And now two of... come on, Will. Yeah. Two of these. Yeah, have to remember that. Huh. Okay, we got two of those. Oh, now the second one of those. And now we just need this piece. And now what we're gonna do is take this, put this on it, go here, like this, then connect it here. Yeah, that's right. So do like this. Then we go here and we place this here to even it out. Then on both sides, we're gonna put one of these. Same on this one. Bam and bam. And now, at each end, we are just gonna put one of these and one of these. Yeah. Okay. And I am sure that's all of it. And we are gonna put that over the front of it. Would be right here. Really? Okay. Okay, yeah. Make sure it's on there real good. Bam and bam. Okay. And now we do a next part a couple times. Okay. There are 6 of these. Okay. 2 of these. Now 8 of these. 2, 3, 4, and then 4 more to make 8. And now 2 of these. 1, 2. And it looks like we are actually using a lot of paint for this, so this bag might be done playing to it today. 2. And 2 of these. And now what we're gonna do is take this, put this right here over it. Okay, and now on the other side, put this here. On, yeah, right side, then the right side, okay. Okay. And now after this step, we're gonna put one of these over it. And now one more of these. To yanking it out a bit more. Then flipping it over, we are gonna put this here and this here. And now, okay, and now with that, we are going to go to the other side, yeah. And a whole bunch of pieces just fell off. Okay. And now after that, we are going to take this piece, pop one of these on top of it. And now add 2 of these and these. Okay? And now using back on this, we are gonna here and okay, give me a moment. How is this going to go? Oh wait, I got it. Okay, I'm an idiot. Okay, right? No, we put it on like this. Okay. Okay. Oh, and we're gonna repeat that. I forgot about the repeating part. Okay. Okay. Take this. This goes here. This goes on opposite side of it. Then this goes here. Then this here. Okay. Flip it over. Put this here and this here. Okay. Now after that, take this. Put this on top. Here. And then this here. Okay, wait. And now this goes here. Okay, and it goes, and now these go on the sides of the typewriter. As you can see, these back parts have these open areas, which is perfect to fit this part. Guys, I heard somebody. And now we just put it here. And bam, look at that. Oh, that's perfect. I love the look of this. Just love it. It feels like finally putting a puzzle together. Okay, and there we are. Bam. Oh, yeah, and it's been a while, but I have to give you the word of the day. And the word of the day is Philoprogenitive, which means having many offspring, or loving children. Sorry everybody, got interrupted by my mom. I have a hair appointment today. So yeah. But anyway, lucky I got interrupted after the word of the day this time. Usually it's before. So yeah, that's good. Now take two of these and this. And now what we are gonna do is, okay, I'm looking at this right now trying to figure out where to put something. Okay. I think I've got it. Okay. I get it. Okay. This goes here. This goes here. And this goes here. And now we flip it over. And we do the same thing on the other side. Except I did it in reverse. Okay. Wait, did I? No, that's correct. This is correct. Yeah, okay. So on this side, we're just gonna do the same thing. This here, and this here. Okay. And now we're gonna need some tan pieces in this baddie. Okay, 1 and 2. We're gonna put here and this here. So yeah, and then we do this. Now we then need some more paint. So we're gonna do here and here. Now put this right. We can get right here. Turn this over. This can go here. Now take 2 of these. Put them right here. Oh yeah, no, this feels good. This could feel like we might have this video. Not this video. That we might be able to have this series done by like then tomorrow. Maybe even today if I feel like it's close enough to the ending. Probably not though. You know, imagine if I think I'm almost done, but we still have like 40 more steps to go. At that point, I'm just deluding myself. Oh, hey, so, I just had an idea. What if you guys post what you want a word of the day to be? Like, just put, like, any word in the comments below, and I might do I might make that the word of the day for the next one. So, yeah. So, if you have to read a book for English class, and you don't know a word, you can, send it to me, and I will try to figure it out. Okay, put it here and here. Have to make sure they're gentle enough. Okay. Oh, and we got 51, by the way. So yeah, that's pretty good. Take 6 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now we are just gonna go here and line them up like this. 1. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Okay. Give me a moment. Okay. And now what we need is a gray version of these pieces. Which is this. And this. And then this piece. And then 2 of these wrap pieces. Okay. So now I'm gonna try to do this from above, maybe. How does this work? Okay, I didn't do it this right way. With it being here. And then this part going here. Now this here. Now this can go here. this here. And bam. Okay. Okay. And now looking under, right here, we're gonna need 4 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, and finally, we get the blue into the mix. We have not used any of this in our build today. So it looks like we are finally going to. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now we did put this on each part of it. Okay. And here we are. Okay. And now I'm gonna try my best to figure this part out because it's actually a fairly confusable part. Just go like this. Okay. Now I just turn it to you guys, I guess. So, okay. I'll probably gonna finish after this step. Probably. Okay. I'm not sure if it's like a really important part or not. But I did try my best on this one. Okay, yeah. Put this here. Yeah. Now one right here. Yeah. Okay, and I believe that should be our last step of the day. Maybe not the most interesting step, but that will be the end of the video 3. And I will have to talk to you guys next time.